So guys, on the left side, we have the upper part of the app, and on the right side, we have the bottom part. Let's make a new project. Image assets. Select any background color you want. Tab on empty space to unselect everything. Select overlay, the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one. Now to change the perspective, look for corner pin. Now we can select each corner of the video from here or directly from the preview screen. Lastly, just tab, hold, drag the points to the point you want. And we are done. Don't forget to give the background layer same length as the video clip. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.